Hi, I'm Dr. James Meschino. I want to talk to you today about vitamin D and prostate health. You know, a lot of studies in recent years have shown that vitamin D has an important role in protecting the male prostate gland, both in terms of helping to reduce the likelihood of prostate enlargement, and more importantly, helping to reduce the likelihood that prostate cancer might develop. So how does vitamin D influence the prostate gland? Well, we know now that when vitamin D affects prostate cells, it slows down the rate at which the cells divide. That's useful because as men get older, prostate cells divide faster. When they do, the prostate gland enlarges, so men get enlarged prostate problems. But also when cells are dividing too quickly, they make more genetic mistakes that can lead to mutations and cancer. So by slowing down the rate of cell division, which vitamin D does, the risk of cancer development is less. The other thing is that vitamin D encourages prostate cells when new cells are emerging from old cells, as cells are dividing. The new cells are forced to mature into beautiful adult cells under the influence of vitamin D. And the more mature a cell is, the less likely it is to become a cancer cell. When you look at prostate cancer cells, they look really immature or very undifferentiated, as we say. And then they lose the control mechanisms and they divide like crazy, forming tumors and spreading throughout the body. So experimental evidence has shown that if you take prostate cancer cells and expose them to vitamin D, it forces those cells to actually mature into more adult cells, and the cell replication rate slows down. Then you take the vitamin D away and the cell regresses back into the more malignant state and it divides like crazy. So once we saw that experimentally, and also animal studies supported that they now have to use vitamin D in cases where men already have existing prostate cancer. And we've seen in a number of studies that vitamin D has been shown to be able to help better manage the cancer by slowing down the rise in the PSA blood level, which is, objective evidence that vitamin D is having an important effect. So just to protect your prostate, how much vitamin D do you need? Well, you need to make sure your blood level is above 85 nanomoles per liter. And after age 40, this really becomes essential because that's when prostates tend to start enlarging for a number of different reasons. And also prostate cancer, is 1 in 8 men, and it's the second leading cause of cancer death. And so anything that can help to decrease the risk of prostate cancer is very important. Now, it takes more than vitamin D to do that. There's other nutrition and lifestyle factors and supplements that can be very useful. But this is the kind of information all men should know about. The problem is that most medical doctors don't get this kind of training in medical school or they don't look at a lot of nutrition and natural medicine clinical studies. And so it doesn't get passed along to the everyday person. Even the Prostate Cancer Society, in the month of November, which is Prostate Cancer Awareness Month, they often don't talk about the nutrition and supplementation factors to help protect the prostate gland. They talk about early detection, which is vitally important. But knowing what to do day to day to prevent prostate disease is very, very important as well. So what I've done is I put all the information together that you need to know in an eBook called Natural Remedies for Prostate Enlargement, Prostatitis, and Prostate Cancer Prevention. Every single man should download a copy of that book and read it through. It'll explain the diet and supplementation and lifestyle factors that influence the prostate gland to try to keep it healthier throughout your entire lifetime. So download it now. Now, MeschinoHealth.com, you'll see my other research review papers, other teaching materials that I've developed, resources, downloads, videos, footage from my live professional seminars, all there to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. And so if you're looking for any information on health or wellness, you'll know that from me you're going to get evidence-based information. You'll see all the scientific references there, so you know you're on sound scientific footing. So you should make MeschinoHealth.com an ongoing, reliable wellness and health resource for both you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.